Hey guys, this is David Salazar. I hope you're enjoying the weather out there. This is Texas, so we tend to have all four seasons in one day. Today it was 40 degrees outside, and right now as I'm looking outside, I think it's about 78. It's crazy, but it's Texas, so we get used to it. Motorcycle riders, one of the things I wanted to talk to you about today was underinsured motorist coverage. That is going to sound very boring at first, but I want to tell you why it's super important that you consider getting it. It's a must-have. And the reason why it's a must-have is super important for motorcyclists in particular. So let me get into it and kind of tell you exactly what's going on. Underinsured motorist coverage is coverage that is meant to insure you if in any event the person that has hit you does not have enough insurance to pay for your bills, for your medical bills, your loss of wages, etc. So where am I going with this? Motorcyclists inherently have much more significant injuries than a regular person in a car accident. Why is this? Well, first off, they're not encased in a shell. Second off, they're on two wheels. And third, their body is directly exposed to the pavement and pretty much the environment. So what I'm telling you is this: if you get in an accident on a motorcycle, chances are your bills, your medical bills, are going to be significantly higher than if they were in a hospital, or than if you were in a car, rather. So think about it like this. Joe Smith gets in an accident with Sarah Smith, and the accident was 20 miles an hour. Both of them were in a car. They both had to go to the hospital. Their injuries were significant. But let's just say one of them, Joe Smith, was on a motorcycle going 20 miles an hour. They hit. That motorcyclist is going to be much more injured than anybody else who was in the accident in a car. So why am I talking to you about this? If the other person was at fault and they have to pay your bills, if you have bills that are over $30,000, which is the minimum in Texas, then guess what? You are responsible for the remainder of those bills. However, if you get underinsured motorist coverage, that covers you in that event. So let's just say that you get in an accident, it's somebody else's fault, they give over their $30,000, but you have $18,000 left in bills. If you have underinsured motorist coverage, they cover the remaining $18,000 along with other potential stuff as well. So you're completely covered at that point, and you may actually get some money in your pocket. Please, 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 ladies and gentlemen, if you are riding on the streets, on the highways, the weather's becoming nicer outside, please keep this in mind. Stay safe on the road, and I look forward to talking to you soon. My name is David Salazar. I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, let me know. Please join our Facebook group. We have a lot of good information on there, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.